Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Camtasia WebView runtime error. So very simple and easy way. Just visit this page. I will give link in description. So visit this page and here guys you will see evergreen standalone installer. So you have to download and install this software to your Windows as your system requirement. Like if you are using 86, so select it, and if you are using 64-bit, so select it. So download and install. I have already downloaded this file. So you will see this setup file. Just click on open file. So once you successfully download, install and restart your system, and after that try again to install Camtasia. Hopefully this method will work. Just you have to visit site. I will give link in description and download and install as 86 or 64-bit. Thanks for watching and please comment on this method work for you or not.